Hello everyone and welcome to a hotel room tour at the Wynn, located on the Las Vegas Strip. It's a very elegant room. Loving the colors and just the lighting real quick. And starting with the restroom. And to the right is the toilet room. You have a phone in case of emergencies. A lovely flower painting. Plenty of lighting and plenty of TP. Making way to the sinks. You have the hand towels, you have a stool to sit, 2 sinks, 1 giant mirror, and a mirror to help with makeup or to beautify your face if needed. And underneath you have the complimentary hair dryer. And getting in closer, you have the bar of soap. You have a TV. There's a remote to control the TV, so if you need background noise for when you're relaxing in the bathtub. Moving down, you have, of course, tissue and a box of necessities. You have the shower cap, cotton swab, polish, body lotion. And underneath the sink is also a scale. I was quite surprised when I saw that. Now to the bathtub, plenty of room. Also a roomy shower where you could just sit and let the water hit you if you don't feel like standing. Of course, shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Moving over here, behind the door, it comes with 2 robes that you can use during your stay. Now if you do end up taking a robe with you, they will charge you. And then we zoom in here, it even says that you can purchase the robe. So if you wish not to be charged, just leave it behind. Now making the way to the room, you have a full mirror in front of the closet. And in the closet you have hangers, a safe, iron board, shelving space. A place to put your food for room service as well. Now to the room, you have your couch to the right. A full-size bed. I believe it's a king size, this one. And right here is where you control all the lighting. Well, not all the lighting, there's only certain lights you can control. Some lights you do have to turn off manually, but you could open the drapes and shears from that. And once you click open drapes, you have a nice view of the strip. You can lounge right at that table while enjoying the view. And then just click the button to close everything. And there is a button so you can close both the drapes and the shears. And there's your working space if you need to take work with you for your laptop. It comes with Alexa for Amazon that can control the drapes. You can play music, even turn on and off the lights. Complimentary masks. Now moving to the bar area and TV. The TV does pull out, so if you want to have a better view from the bed, it comes with wine glass. And a snack bar, of course, that you need to pay for. And beneath you have the drinks, soda, wine, beer, some liquor. And just drawer space if you want to fold your clothes. And then backing up just to see more view of the room. And that is the room tour for Wynn. Thank you for watching.